Hello kids, hope you all are doing good. Yes children, lovely. Children, now we have learned sound of each letter. We will learn today making two-letter words. Combine two letters together. Combine two letters. After teaching alphabet to children, we can teach how to join two or more letters to make a sound. Children, when any two sounds are coming together to form a word and a sensible sound is called a word. Words can be of two letters or three letters. As we move further, I will teach you how to make two-letter words and three-letter and even four-letter words also. So, are you ready to learn letters? Are you ready, children, to learn to make words with different letters? Children, you remember that I have taught you about the vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O and U. We make different words with the help of vowels and consonants. Following are the two examples where letter A or vowel A is joined with consonant T or with N. As you can see on the screen, the first example, A is sitting alone and then comes the letter T to meet vowel A. When they meet together, they hug each other and play. And when they play, they form a new word. Do you know what is that word? A says A. A says A. Come on, say the sound of letter A. A says A and T says. Right, T says T. A and T. A, T. It makes A, T. At. So what is the new word? It's at. What is the new word? At. Similarly, if we look at the another example where A and N both are enjoying together to form a new word. To form a new word and. How? How an is formed? A says A and N says no. And no. Come on, you all also try to join together. A, no. And. See children, it is so easy. At, and. At, and. Now children, we have learned how to make two-letter words. Now if we put consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H and so on before them, before these two letters, then what it becomes? It becomes a proper word which has a meaning too. Like we can make a word by putting consonants before at or an. Example, you can see in the highlighted area. C-A-T. We all know the sound of A-T is at. And what is the sound of C? C says K. K-at. Cat. Wow! It has become a new word. K-at. Cat. Cat is meow. It makes a sound of meow. Right? Let's learn more. Isn't it exciting? Yeah! Now, let's put more consonants before at. B-A-T, bat. How? B says B. Children, keep on repeating the sounds, the phonic sounds of the consonants or of the letter. B-A-T, bat. B-at, bat. F-A-T. F says F. F-at, fat. Fat means mota. Now we have made three words with at. Cat, bat, fat. Now let's look at the another example. The first example is of F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. What is the sound of F? F says F. F says and fan. Similarly, V-A-N, and van. A van is a vehicle, you all know. R-A-N. What is the sound of R, children? It says R and ran. Similarly, here we can make different and unlimited 3-letter words. Children, why are we calling it 3-letter? Because it has 3 letters. Which all are they? Like as in cat. C is 1 letter, A is another letter, and T is also another letter. So how many letters are there? How many letters are there? 3 letters. That is why it is called 3-letter words. We started making 2 letters first and now 3 letters. So remember, you can make unlimited words with these vowels. So let's start. Like if I am giving you a word, T-A-N, what it becomes? T says T. See the sound of the letter. T says T, an, tan. A-N says an, T, an, tan. P-A-N, what it says? P, an, pan. Yes. Let's make some more words with at. M-A-T. Let's see their sound. M, at, mat. S-A-T. S, S is at, sat. P-A-T. P, at, pat. See children, it is so easy to make different words. Let us all read further. Let us all read 2-letter word and make a 3-letter word from the picture clue. See, on the screen you have seen that there is written A and N. A-N says an. And now in the center there is a fan. So now can you think what consonant shall we add to make it a fan? Which letter says F? Come on, think fast. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F. Yes, F says F. F says F. So, F and a fan. Very good, children. Very good. So now you all are becoming experts in making words, isn't it? Keep on practicing and reading different words and try to make more different words. This way, improve your vocabulary also. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye.